smarter, make your IPTV faster. What am I talking about? I'm about to show you. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone app and tech trends. We'll bring you guys the latest app and tech trends. I appreciate you guys like always. If you're new, please go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell, keep alerted of all my videos. That's why you support me, where I support you. I bring you guys videos all the time. A lot of you guys right now are going crazy. Have an IPTV service and it's too slow and it's buffering and it's messing up on you and you're like, what's going on here? Your speed is fast. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make it faster or how to correct the issue, how to fix a problem, especially, let's say for example, Smarter's IPTV app. I'm gonna show you how to go into the settings. I'm gonna show you how to just alleviate the buffering issues if you have the issue, okay? Sometimes it's not the IPTV service. A lot of people ask me, what IPTV service should I use? Use the one that you think is probably the best for you. There's so many out there for you to try, so I leave that pretty much up to you guys. What I use is different. What I use is personal to me, what you use is personal to you. If you have any questions, you can always email me, but yeah, that's what I usually tell people. Use whatever you feel comfortable with. This is not to promote anybody's service or anything like that. It's just to basically make your internet fast, make your IPTV run smooth without buffering. A lot of people have buffering issues. Not only that, they have issues with video on demand, stuff like that, okay? So if you have video on demand, you have a play, if you have all that and it's buffering, then you're gonna wanna take some of these tips as well that I'm about to give you. But first, let's go into the app so I can show you. Let's go up there. This is simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the settings and I'm gonna explain to you. When you open up your Smarter's IPTV app, this is what you're gonna do. Well, once you're in settings, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here to speed test. Once you click on speed test, it's gonna say begin test, okay? This is what you're gonna do. Now I have 1 gig. Now I'm not gonna get that for sure. It's gonna tell you on the right side your location. I don't wanna put my location. So what am I getting? 30 megabytes download, and I'm getting, we're gonna look at the upload. The upload is about 20 upload, 19 upload. My ping is 12.64. So now if you go below 15, you definitely have an issue with your internet at home. If that's the case, what you wanna do is you wanna unplug your router, plug it back in for 30 seconds, and see if that helps. The next steps are basically very, very simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna check your iPads, check your tablets, check your phones that you have inside your house, 30 megabytes for example, overall, and you have your phone, turn all that stuff off when using your IPTV. If you have a VPN and you decide to use a VPN, it's gonna slow you down even more. So that's another reason why you turn your computer, everything off if you wanna run smooth. Those are the tips that I offer you guys. You have to do that. Unplug your router for 30 seconds. That's gonna help you. But most importantly, most of the time, it's not the service, it's you. It's something inside your house, your internet, you guys having stuff running in the background, etc. Those are the easiest tips I can offer you guys. Do that. You guys should have no issue, guys. I appreciate you guys like always. You know how we do here, guys. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.